Let's learn how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. TikTok Live offers you an incredible experience where you can share your moments with other people, but due to TikTok's rules, you can't go live on TikTok if you don't have 1,000 followers. That's why I'll show you how to bypass that rule and go live without 1,000 followers. First, let's open TikTok app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account on which you want to go live. After that, click on little icon of small man in bottom right corner of the screen to go on your profile. When you came on this page, click on 3 horizontal lines in top right corner of the screen, and on this pop-up menu, select a last option settings and privacy. When you come on this menu, scroll down to find report a problem option, and when you find open it. You can see this search bar for issues in the top of the screen, so go to click on it and then type how to go live. Now they are suggest you a bunch of articles and you need to go on live is suspended. Don't worry, you don't need to read all of this and ask a TikTok question. Just on TikTok questions is your problem resolved. Select no and again select need more help. It's going take us to this TikTok help desk where we can directly correspond with TikTok team, and we need to send TikTok that you don't have a live feature on your account. So send message like this. I will put this message in description of this video so you can copy it. TikTok team automatically offers you to select what is your problem, so you need to select a last option, which is I don't have the live option, and they have solutions which is authentic for you account, and just follow the steps they tell you, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.